Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to access color filters in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To look for our color filters, we have to go to the settings here. Then we need to scroll all the way down until we see accessibility options here. Next, we have to go to the vision enhancements menu here. And right here is our color filter. By default, it's of course turned off. To turn it on, we have to check this box here. And here we have our color options. We can further customize it here. To turn it off, we simply tap this little button here and we're back to the default settings. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.